Hi, I'm Sapna Agarwal, Creative Director at ANSA Architecture and Interiors. And in today's video, I am going to talk about creating a luxury home theater. How to build the ultimate entertainment space. In recent years, home theaters have kind of become an increasingly popular among homeowners who want to create the ultimate entertainment experiences in the comfort of their homes. With the latest technology and design trends, it's easier than ever to transform a spare room into a luxurious home theater that kind of rivals the cinematic experience. Here are some tips on how to create a luxury home theater. First and foremost, choose the right space. Before you begin planning your home theater, you'll need to select the right room for the job. Ideally, the room should be rectangular shape with minimal windows or natural light. A basement or a spare room can make an ideal location for the home theater as it can be isolated from other living spaces and provide an immersive sound experience. Second, plan the layout. Once you have chosen the space, it's time to start planning the layout of your home interiors. The key element of the home theater are the screen settings and the sound system. For the screen, you can choose between a large TV or a projector and screen setup. For sitting, comfortable reclining chairs or sofas with cup holders, USB ports can add a luxury feel. When it comes to sound, a high quality sound system with surround speakers is like a must have. There is no escape to this. Third, incorporate luxury design elements. Luxury design elements can help elevate your home theater and make it feel like a high end cinema. Consider installing dimmer lights so you can control the lighting to match the mood of the movie. You can also add concession stand or a popcorn machine to make your home theater feel like a true cinema experience. Adding curtains or drapes can help to control the acoustics and create a more immersive experience. Also, to choose the right technology. Technology is the key component of any home theater, and there are number of options available to create a high-end cinematic experience. You'll need to kind of choose the right projector or the TV, as well as the right sound system. Consider investing in a 4K TV or a projector for the best image quality. For sound, you can actually opt for surround system with separate amplifier subwoofers to get the best sound quality. Fifth, optimize the sound acoustics are very essential for high quality home theater experience. Proper soundproofing can help to isolate the room from other living spaces and prevent the sound from escaping. Installing sound absorbing panels or acoustic tiles on the wall can help minimize the echo and improve the sound quality. You can also install a bass trap to help control the low frequency volumes. Sixth, consider automation. Automation can help to make your home theater experience more seamless and easy to use. Consider investing in smart home systems that allows you to control your home theater with the touch of a button. You can program the light to dim, the curtains to close, the sound system to turn on with the push of a button. Somehow, creating a luxury home theater is an investment in your home and entertainment experience. With careful planning and attention to detail, you can actually create a space that is perfect for having family time, enjoying your favorite movie and shows at the comfort of your homes. Thank you so much for watching this video. For anything that you want to know more about this home systems or home theater systems, feel just free to contact us. Also, you can contact us for any kind of architecture or interior design consultancy. And see you next Wednesday. Bye.